gonna get, Boosh? But like, good choice. That might be a lot of money. Bush getting carded for the first time.
Alright, all I need is your first aid line.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. She's ready, huh?
What do you think? You think it's real or fake?
Nah, this is real. It's good. This is fake. This is nice, man. You're an organ donor too. Real nice. Oh, congratulations.
I just decided that I'd be an organ donor. Hopefully they don't attempt to
They won't.
save me.
I promise you, they won't. 2183. You gotta return it?
To return this.
How come?
Because I don't want to spend that much money. I don't like to hear that.
Seb's number 2. What you gonna get, Poosh? Bud Light. Good choice.
Ken.
What do you think? Real or fake?
38.
What's today?
Oh.
Say happy birthday.
Yeah. Today you are completely 21, huh?
It's the date of birth.
How much is that? How much? 17. How is this one 17, 18, and a 36 pack was 21?
You probably gotta return it.
Alright, I'm not gonna get it.
Huh?
I'm gonna return it. What you going for?
Oh yeah.
How you doing?
Hey, enjoy your night. Real or fake?
No, you can't take pictures, please.
Oh, I'm not taking a picture though. Just recording. I'm just documentary.
Yeah. 1859? I don't have.
I got nothing.
I'm gonna have to return this.
Oh man. Oh, this is a nice Seb's. Good evening, sir.
Good. Is ID?
Oh. What do you think? Real or fake? think he's buying
How
it.
much?
17, 18.
17, 18? Did you notice? What's today? What is today?
She's the whole 20.
It's my birthday! My,
No, it's not.
it is, it's my birthday.
Yeah, it's fake.
It's not big. How much?
17, 18.
Oh, we got like what? 50? 10, 10.
I'm gonna have to return this.
Hey Boosh, what you gonna get on your 21st? Oh man. How much you think it's gonna be? $17.50?
Almost 20 words.
It's somebody's birthday today. It's somebody's birthday today. The candles are lit on somebody's cake. Go Booshki, it's your birthday. We gonna drink brewskis like it's your birthday.
I'm so sick.
She's pretty ill right now, but we're on a mission.
Yeah.
Lucky number 5.
Sure?
Positive. What's today?
Are you sure?
What do you think?
Yeah.
What's today, though?
Happy birthday.
The day. Ah, sweet.
Where's
Oh.
Where's my
Oh. I don't have any.
Where's my purse?
Oh, did you leave it at home?
Shoot! I have to return this. Yeah. Thank you.
Returned.